Hi friends, thanks so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you're new to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and today we are making a mini album or a mini journal out of a file folder. So I do have a short little playlist of file folder projects. If you like these types of things, I'll have it linked down below. This one here, I did use a pink file folder, as you can see, and I purchased that actually from the Dollar Tree. So it came in this little pack here, and I just loved all of these kind of pastel colors. I think they're perfect for Valentine's Day, Easter, spring, summer, you name it. So I picked up 2 packs of these. And for this one here, I mostly just covered up my pages by collaging over top. I think that's the easiest way when it comes to these little file folder projects. So you can see over here, this is just a vellum sheet that I glued over top. And then I added this acetate rose over in the corner as well. And here I did a little bit of collaging, I guess, but you could write a note there, do some journaling. This little piece was actually from a grabby box from last year, and I thought it was really cute. It kind of reminded me of a fairy tale. I guess the pink and everything was just reminding me of Valentine's Day and romance, so that's my little fairy tale scene there. And then these sheets are from Temu. Again, they're from those little paper pads that look like this. If I can find one, like this one here. I have a lot of these, so I'm just trying to use them up, and they just work really well for the file folder projects again, because it's just so easy to just glue one of these sheets down, of course, and then you could put a photo over top or do some other art collaging over it, or even just journal right on top of it. So over here, there's another little Temu sheet, and I just added this butterfly washi tape down the side. This here I turned into a tuck spot over on this page. So these are just some little pieces that you could use throughout this mini album. And over here, I've just washi taped this little sheet down for some journaling space. And I added a sticker up top there as well. Over here, I have a side pocket. So I just stuck this extra scrap in there as an example. But this would be a great little photo mat as well. And some more of the Temu sheets over here, washi tape. I put a few different stickers up top there. And then this butterfly is a tuck spot. So I just have a journaling card placed there. And a few different pieces over on this page for decoration, but I've just washi taped this other journaling card down for some writing space. And then over here I have a pocket. It says, "Go where your heart takes you." And I just have this little tag here with those flower stickers on it. And then this is the last page, but I did make it flip out like that. So there's another Temu sheet, and then this was just a scrap sheet I had, but I thought it would be a good spot for writing as well. And I added another little sticker in the corner there. So a photo would go really nicely in the middle. And that's everything for this mini album or mini journal. I always forget to cover up the backs of these things, but I think it came out so cute regardless. So go ahead and grab a file folder and we can create one of these together. So I'm going to be using this blue one today. And this one is about 11 3/4 of an inch across by 9.5 inches tall. So just for reference. But I'm basically just going to be cutting this in half right down the middle vertically. So I'm actually going to turn this to my straight edge here, and I'm going to fold it in half. And I just make a little pinch here at the edge. I don't really fold it in half all the way down, just so I know where to cut. So I'm going to line this part up here on my paper trimmer, that little indentation that I made, and I'll just make my cut. right there down the middle. So now we have two pieces and they're going to look something like this. It doesn't matter really what side the tab is on either, so don't worry about that. But I'm just going to take one of them for now, and I'm going to actually line up the straight edge here at 4.5 on my scoreboard, and I'm going to cut it right here at 4.5. So I have this little piece now, and then I'm going to have these two separate pieces. So we're just going to put these aside, and we're going to do the same thing to the other half of our file folder here. So my straight edge here, I'm just going to line up at 4.5 and cut off this extra part here. So once again, we're going to have this little piece and then two extra little sheets here. So we can combine these sheets together. So we're going to have 4 little extra sheets here. And we can set those aside. And we just want to start off here with these two pieces that look like little folders. And we're just going to connect these two together. So I'm going to just place this one pretty much right over top of the other piece. And this is where I'm going to create that side pocket here, but you can also create a top loading pocket if you prefer. So I'm simply just going to glue these two sides together. And so I'll just take this piece and I'm just going to glue 1, 2, and 3 sides because I do want my side pocket. And then this piece is going to go over top. So we're going to have this where our side pocket is, and this last little page over here. Now I do want to put a little notch into my pocket there. So I'm just going to take my 2-inch punch here and put a notch right in the middle. And so this is our base pretty much all set. So the rest is totally up to you. So we had these 4 extra little sheets here, and pretty much what I do with these is I'm going to hold them at the straight edge here on my scoreboard, and I'm going to just score them each at 1/2 inch. And then we can go ahead and fold this because this little 1/2 inch tab is what we're going to use to attach these pages inside of our journal. So for example, this piece here, you can pop some glue on your tab here and then attach it to the front here. So you have like a layered kind of look similar to my first one. And then it can flip open like this and be a page, or you can just glue it down at the bottom here and have like a tuck spot. So there's going to be a lot of different options and things you can do in terms of how you utilize the rest of these sheets. So they can be pages, pockets, tuck spots. You know, you can put them wherever you want in the journal. You can put them this way if you wanted to. There's no right or wrong way to do this. So I'm just going to actually continue scoring all of my pages here. So again, I'll just line up my straight edge and score it at 1/2 inch here. And I'll do that for the rest of these. And I'll just go ahead and fold these all over. All right, so now we have some decisions to make. I think I do like this as my front cover, so I'm just gonna glue my tab down here and place it right on top. And that'll be just a little page there. And let's see. Let me grab this one. I could do another page right here. So I'm just going to stick this right onto this side. There's my little side pocket there. And we have two other sheets left here. So this is where I did that little like fold out page. And let me see if I still want to do that. You could even do something like this. Or you could glue these down and just have this be a pocket in the middle. So there's just tons of different options that you can do here. So I think I actually like that idea. So what I'm going to do is glue this piece over onto this page first. And this page, I'm going to glue over here. I definitely didn't cut this very well, but that is okay. So yeah, I think I'll just attach these two pages together. And I'm just going to glue the bottom. And hopefully that works out. But once again, you can really just do whatever you want to do and make pockets or pages wherever you want them to go. But there we have our little album made from a file folder. So we've got pages here for writing or photos, pockets, another pocket or tuck spot. And you can even just use your scraps and create more pockets on your pages and just have fun creating your own unique layout. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. And I will probably be decorating this off camera because projects like these usually take me a few days just because of time constraints and other priorities in life. So I'll be right back with the finished product. Here's how I decorated my blue file folder mini journal. So I did use some of the paper here from this Dollar Tree paper pack. And we all know that the cover here was switched with the other pack, so this is the actual one that I got. So I used some of the 6x6 papers here, and I made a few different decisions as well. So I actually turned this first little piece here into a tuck spot rather than have it be a page. So it just says, "Find joy in the ordinary." And I added some stickers here and some beautiful flowers up top. And in my little tuck spot there, I just have this journaling card that says, "Hold on tight to your dreams." And this is the Temu paper. So I just backed it with some scrap paper that I had in my stash to make it a little bit more sturdy. And on the inside here, I just have some of this Dollar Tree paper, and I thought a photo would go nicely over here, or you could even just journal in this space. And then I just hand drew these lines with the help of a ruler, and I got like blue marker all over my hand, so don't mind that. And this little sticker says, "Grow through what you go through." And this is from Temu as well. And you can see some more of that Dollar Tree paper here and here as well. And this is another sticker here from Temu that says, "Say yes to new adventures." And you could write a little list of maybe some adventures you want to go on. And this was our little side pocket. So I have another journaling card in there. And some more of that Dollar Tree paper. Again, I would probably put a photo here or just do some more writing in this space. But I do have another sheet over here for writing. And there's a cute little birdhouse with 2 birds in the corner. And over here, I've just washi taped this little sheet down for some writing space. I turned this into a pocket. So actually, remember how I made this into a pocket, a side pocket there? I decided not to do that because it was making my album wonky and weird. So I ended up just not doing that side pocket. So I made a pocket over here with just some little ephemera pieces and a sticker. And then here are my last few pages. So I made a pocket over here, same kinds of things in there, and then I added a sticker to the bottom as well. And then over on my last page here, this is actually washi taped down. This is a cute little sticky note, and it says "Be happy" at the bottom. So you can actually lift this whole piece up and you can do more journaling underneath or put a photo, add another pocket. So that's everything. Again, I didn't even cover up the back. I mean, I think it's fine the way that it is, but that's everything for this mini journal today. So you can see that you have really a lot of creative freedom to create as many pages as you want, create pockets and tuck spots wherever you want, do any kind of layout that you want to do. So I hope that you all have enjoyed the tutorial today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and definitely leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas as well. So thank you so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Happy crafting and huge hugs!